Hello and welcome, Focus Learners. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here with us today. In this explainer, we're going to tackle something that will immediately simplify your life and free up your precious time, and that is managing your utility payments. Specifically, we're looking at exactly how to master the digital billing infrastructure for Intermountain Gas Company. Tired of waiting in lines or worrying about late fees? Discover just how easy it is to manage your Intermountain gas bill online with our complete guide. Look, we all know that dealing with paper bills, hunting down stamps, and trying to remember due dates can be incredibly frustrating. But taking control of your account digitally, it completely changes the game. Here's a quick look at our 6-step journey for today. We'll cover why pay bills online, setting up your account, navigating the payment portal, making your first payment, troubleshooting common issues, and finally, some insights and best practices. It's a completely stress-free, logical journey, so let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this with Section 1, Why Pay Bills Online?
While moving to a digital portal gives you total control around the clock. Instead of waiting for regular business hours, you get 24/7 account access. You'll also benefit from much faster payment processing compared to, mailing a physical check. Plus, you can choose to go completely paperless with e-bill notifications sent straight to your inbox. That means absolutely no more lost mail and a much lower chance of getting hit with those frustrating late fees.
Now, you might be wondering about security. If you're a little hesitant about putting your personal info on the internet, that is completely understandable. But you can rest easy. Intermountain Gas Company utilizes robust Secure Socket Layer, or SSL, encryption to protect your personal data during transmission. Basically, it's industry-standard security designed specifically to keep your digital identity and your finances completely safe from data theft. Moving right along to Section 2, Setting Up Your Account.
Creating an account is a quick, one-time process. Here are the exact registration steps. First, visit their official portal at customer.ntgs.com. Then, you'll be prompted to enter your 11-digit account number. Now listen closely to this detail. You must enter those 11 digits with no spaces and absolutely no dashes. Just a single, continuous string of numbers. Next, verify your identity using the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, tax ID, or your account PIN. And finally, create a secure password. And actually, speaking of that password, there are some specific requirements you need to know about so you aren't caught off guard. Your password must be a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, like an exclamation point or an @ symbol. Think of this as an excellent secondary security measure to make sure your utility portal is completely locked down and protected.
Section 3, Navigating the Payment Portal.
You made it in. Now, what's really interesting about this dashboard is just how much visibility you suddenly have into your home's energy footprint. Right there on the screen, you can view your current balance and exact due dates. But beyond that, you can instantly access up to a 24-month archive of your past billing statements. That's 2 whole years. You can even explore natural gas usage comparison charts to visually track how much fuel you're consuming month over month. And of course, you can seamlessly manage all your saved payment options in one spot.
Section 4, Making Your First Payment. So your account is set up. Now, how do we actually pay the bill?
Well, you have a couple of different paths here, and it's super important to understand the difference. The primary option is a direct bank transfer, also known as an ACH payment, processed directly through the native portal. This option is completely free, literally 0 fees. On the other hand, if you prefer to use a credit card, a debit card, or digital wallets like PayPal or Google Pay, you absolutely can. However, those go through third-party processors like Paymentus, and convenience fees do apply. For example, residential accounts using a card face a $2.19 convenience fee per transaction. So the crucial point is understanding the posting timelines, because you definitely do not want to accidentally incur a late fee just because of processing times. If you submit your payment online before 2:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on a standard business day, the funds will post to your account on that exact same day. But if you hit submit anytime after 2:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or on a weekend or holiday, that payment will not post until the next business day. Just keep that 2:45 p.m. cutoff firmly in mind. Section 5, Troubleshooting Common Issues. Because hey, technology isn't always perfect, right? If you ever find yourself asking, wait, what was my password again? Or if you get temporarily locked out, don't panic. The solution is incredibly straightforward. Right there on the login screen at customer.ingis.com, there's a simple Forgot Password Request link. Click that, verify your email, and you'll be back into your account in minutes. But what if the automated system just isn't working for you, or you have a highly specific issue with your bill? Well, you can call customer service directly at 800-548-3679. Real, actual humans are available to help you Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
And here is a critical warning directly from the utilities guidelines. Do not use the online forms if your service has been disconnected for non-payment, or if you're moving and need brand new service turned on within the next 2 business days. In those urgent emergencies, you absolutely must pick up the phone and call that customer service number directly.
Section 6. Insights and Best Practices. Let's elevate you from a beginner to a budgeting pro.
And this brilliantly illustrates one of the most helpful tools they offer, the level pay plan. Look, in Idaho, winters are notoriously freezing, which usually means massive spikes in natural gas bills during January and February. The level pay plan takes your estimated annual consumption and averages it out into 12 predictable, equal monthly payments. No more massive winter surprises, just one flat rate all year round.
And for the ultimate best practice, combine that level pay plan with the direct ACH auto pay feature. By doing this, you create a completely automated, predictable, and fee-free monthly budgeting system. The automatic payments are drafted within 2 business days of the due date, ensuring you never miss a beat. You set it up once, and the system literally does all the heavy lifting for you. So what does this all mean? Are you ready to ditch the lines, avoid the late fees, and take complete control of your natural gas bill today? Embracing this digital infrastructure totally empowers you as a consumer. You have the tools, you have the knowledge, and now it is time to take immediate action and set up your online account. Please note information presented in this explainer is accurate as of the upload date. Always refer to the official Intermountain Gas website or contact their customer service for the most recent updates or if you encounter specific challenges. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Stay focused, stay organized, and I'll catch you on the next explainer.